Seneta nigo yaganire roboti guru y'obwagachi n'amagendero andonsi ase Egetii chindege kia Wilson county ya Nairobi korengana n'abaseneta senkwana yabo egati yabo omoseneta we county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi omoseneta we county ya Kericho Aaron Cheriota nigo bairero buna Egetii EKIO nigo kere asenchira etaringi yabo igo ekieni gitari kogokia na kwirera emibasokano ao gokorekana ase Egetii EKIO.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Roads, Transportation and Housing on a matter of national concern regarding the deteriorating infrastructure at the Wilson Airport in Nairobi City County. In the statement, the committee should address the following. 1, the current state of the infrastructure and safety systems at Wilson Airport in Nairobi City County, including the runway, drainage, rescue, and firefighting facilities, air control systems, and power backup installation. 2, steps being taken by the Ministry of Roads and Transport, the Kenya Airport Authority, and the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority to address the deterioration of the infrastructure at the airport and ensure continued compliance with international safety standards. 3, the findings of investigation into recent incidences of aviation accidents around Wilson Airport and the measures being taken to ensure that such incidents do not recur. 4, the timelines for demolishing buildings and other development rising above the prescribed height restriction along the flight path around Wilson Airport.
For the complications at Wilson Airport, Mr. Speaker, needs special attention, and I hope the minister in charge, even the security situation is not something to write home about. How many times do you find this Senator Osotsi? He just drives in his car, drives out with a bag, and heads direct into a plane. The security checks are so lackluster, Mr. Speaker. It's a security risk even to you as a honorable member. You may think that they are being unfair by insisting that they check your bags, but it's for your own good. And therefore, there are so many things that are wrong with that Wilson Airport, Mr. Speaker, that I hope that our Committee on Transport, when looking into this statement, will first provide a roadmap, but more importantly, because the minister will be here, God willing, next week on Wednesday, Mr. Speaker, we must take him to task on the operations at Wilson Airport and what exact plans they have